should run the same. So backward compatibility, what does it do? It saves you a lot of work. Especially if you want to upgrade your system. It saves you a lot of work from dismantling your product, just replacing part of the products that you need. You already upgraded the system. Okay? The third one is, of course, my ease of maintenance, updating my product, replacement of faulty parts and spares. These are very crucial, mainly for maintaining a system. Okay, and then improve performance. How can I improve the performance? My performance through integration, to operational readiness. These are all planning. With this product that you have installed, these are all planning. Right? So next slide. Next slide. Okay, so in terms of fire alarm functionality, maybe you can consider module.